into the night. Don't let this cat fool you. It's a squirrel killer.
It's Lily.
Lily the squirrel killer.
Alright, now, the original plan. So, we've been making videos all day. I was riding around, pissing people off with my sound. Now we're going to show you what sound does to a little bitty truck. For those of you who do not realize how small my truck is, I am 6'2". That's the roof of my truck. Alright, let's have a little fun. Man done left the damn receipt in my truck.
My bad. That right there is
Q-Power 15.
what he said.
It's pretty fun.
Pretty loud.
Cute and cuddly. There's two of them. One here, two.
There's one over there.
Alright. Y'all ready?
Here you go.
Oh, you hold it. We're videoing the truck, not the inside. Let's wait for it to hit. Let's wait for the bass.
Waiting for the bass. Waiting for the bass.
Those of you who do not understand what that is, that was the cab of my truck hitting the bed of my truck. Get a bit. You gotta come over here real quick. You gotta watch this. This door is so fucked up, dude. Watch.
That, my friend, is sound.
That's what 215s can do to your little truck.
I recommend y'all get some. Even if you do, you're still not fucking with us.
Never gonna reach me.
Never.
Dude, the whole back of this thing is fucking hitting this.
I know.
Shit's great.